This is by far the best way to tie a tie. It takes under 10 seconds and you can get it done in only 3 steps. With your tie face down with the larger end on the right. Then, make a loop on the right side and a loop on the left side. Just make sure that your loops are in the same direction as what I'm showing you here. Also, keep the loops small and relatively close to each other. Grab the left end of the left loop with your right hand and place it inside the right loop. You need to grab the left loop and rotate it into the right loop. For the last step, put the small end of the tie through both loops and then just start pulling on the opposite side. I recommend that you hold down the small end with your right hand while you pull on the other side. This makes sure that the knot stays in the middle. By the way, you're going to have to pull on the left side more than the right side of the loop. Once you can't pull too much more on the left side, pull on the right side a few times and repeat it until everything is tight. So that's it. Just try it out a few times and you'll be able to do it well under 10 seconds.